Right, there you have it. You witnessed the entire journey. I've actually witnessed a lot more than what I could have told you. But what I'm about to tell you is something phenomenal. What it is that we saw the flying, we saw the assembly process, we saw the final assembly line as well. But all of that sums up to one thing. It's about celebrating 27th of February, celebrating a day which is called Swift Retort, and it was a day when we surprised the enemy. So it's time now for the big surprise that we're talking about, the pride of Pakistan, the JF17 Thunder. There's been a lot of speculation, a lot of guesses, people have made a lot of sketches, there were so many ideas about the design and everything involved, but I can proudly say that PTV World, Pakistan Television, is the very first platform that tells people, not in Pakistan, but the entire world, and we reveal this with great pride, representing the Pakistan Air Force. This is breaking news right now on PTV World that finally the bird you see behind me is the JF17 Thunder Block 3. Once again, let me just tell you, the Block 3 version of the JF17 Thunder. All the speculation, all the hype, every exciting factor that you were waiting for has now been revealed. You saw it first only on PTV World. The entire world can now know that Pakistan Air Force has finally unveiled the Block 3 version of the JF-17 Thunder aircraft, the latest in cutting-edge technology, the latest when we talk about all the indigenization of Pakistan Air Force, an Air Force which is second to none, and this bird right here further proves that fact that we talk about, that this is an Air Force which is second to none. A great day for the entire nation. I think congratulations to all of you who are watching, to every Pakistani in Pakistan and of course around the world as well. Congratulations to the Pakistan Air Force. The JF-17 Block 3 Thunder, the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 has been unveiled. It will now formally be joining the Pakistan Air Force, will be inducted into various squadrons as well. But once again, like I said, a huge moment to be proud of. 27th of February reminds us, once again, will always remind us in history for generations to come, that this was a day when our air defenders, our warriors that defend the air frontiers of our motherland and guard our territorial integrity and sovereignty, proved not just to Pakistanis but the entire world that they